Hey, what's up guys, my name is Andrew and welcome back guys to my channel. So in this video I'm going to answer the question of what is a PIP and how to calculate PIPs when it comes to day trading in Forex or CFDs or as well as stocks. You need to understand what is a PIP and actually how to calculate it, because this is necessary for you to be in order to be profitable in Forex or CFD, in order to generate some of the profits like we are generating, me, myself, as well as my students in my academy. This, for example, is Euro JPY that we placed yesterday from our group, and it's already generating over nearly around 1,000 euro. Okay, but all of these guys, it can be only possible if you understand what is a day trading and how to place those trades. But before that, you need to understand what is a PIP. So guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so what is a PIP? So in simple terms, whenever you place the trade, it doesn't matter on which broker, the difference in price is determined in pips. Pay attention to this picture right here. So this one is, for example, this security, for example, costs 1.15382. So the PIP is the number 4, the fourth digit after the zero. Okay, so after the dot. Sorry. So the PIP will be. So this is for example 8 pips. The last number, which is the number 5th digit, is 0 point pips. So for example, okay, if the price moves from 1.1060 to 1.1061, that is 0.001 USD. Okay, either rise or fall. That means that is the one pip. 0.001, so it's 0.0001. Number 4th digit is your PIP, So this is just this for example. So a PIP usually is decimal place of a price quote. Well, this is from the book, so that's how the book explains you. But so that you're not gonna get so confused, the number 4 digit is your PIP. The number 3rd is the pips are above a 10. This would be 500 pips, so 1.15 or 1.16. The difference is 100 pips. Okay, this is 1,000 pips, and this is 10,000 pips. But what we as day traders, we are pattern traders. We need to make sure that we understand what is 1 pip. Because because we're gonna trade between 1 pip, 10 pips, 10, 20 pips. Because we are short-term traders, but we also will hold long-term positions. But okay, so that you are not gonna get confused. Most pairs go out to 4 decimal places, but there are some exceptions like Japanese pairs. Japanese pairs they go out to do decimal places. Anyway, let's take an example. Okay, so for example, the Euro USD, it's 0.001, but for the USD JPY, it's gonna be the same, but just take additional 2 zeros out. Okay, so let me demonstrate you right here. So for example, if I was going to place trade on, so this is a MetaTrader 4 platform. Okay, MetaTrader 5, sorry, well this is the same as MetaTrader 4 online based platform. Basically, this is a XTB broker, okay? But again, the principles are the same. If we are generating money through pips, if I'm placing a sell trade, means I open an order and I make, for example, a sell position, don't worry guys, I'm gonna explain you what are the instant executions, what's pending order, same as on a MetaTrader 4. But this video, we just focus on pips, okay? So here you can see that. So this supposedly is the price I will enter the trade, and here you can see the volume. Okay, the volume. If you increase the volume, you will see that your PIP value increases. And now you can see that this PIP costs 0.08 GBP, British pound pence. Okay, so pennies. These are 8 British pound pennies. This is the cost of 1 pip for this particular FOREX pair, which is USD CHF for this example. As you can see, if I increase it, the pip size also increases, you know. Yeah, so that's the price for 1 pip. But now is the question, okay, because not always you will be able to see the price of 1 pip. Mostly if you use MetaTrader 4 broker for either trading stocks, forex or CFDs, you will see that if you place a trade, you will not be able, they will not show you how much is the 1 pip. For this instance, we need to have a formula, which is very simple formula. It's very easy to calculate, but we need to calculate the pips manually. So let's do it. Let's go back to my my thing here. Okay. So let's calculate the pips. So let's for calculating pips, let's take an example of USD and Canadian dollar. That was that Canadian dollar. Okay. So USD against CAD, the price is 1.03. So to be read as 1 USD to 1.03 CAD, or 1 against 1.03 CAD. Okay, the value change in counter currency times the exchange rate ratio pip value in terms to be base currency. Basically, okay, again, so that you will not get confused, because you know usually when you read those books, you know, I mean, they're just confused. It's not that. It's really simple. Okay, so basically what we do is we're gonna divide one USD divided by the CAD ratio. Okay, so which is 1 divided by 1.3. Okay, that's just gonna give us a fraction. So let's take out the calculator. So 1 divided by 1.03 will give us 0.97. But now we need to know how, we need to calculate this according to how many units we will trade. So again, for this instance, we're gonna use what is it, 10,000 units. So 10,000 units. So basically, how many units you're gonna place on one single trade? So as you can see here, we have a contract size of so this volume is 0.40, which is the 40,000. So let's decrease it to 10,000, which will be our leverage. This is pretty high leverage, but this, for example, okay. So as you can see, 0.10, the contract value is 10,000. You know, this is the leverage, so 0.10. Okay, let's just go back here. So by using the example, if you trade 10,000 units of USD CAD, you know, simply 10,000 units multiplied. So let's do it. Okay, so again, 1 2 3 0.001 CAD divide by the ratio of USD against CAD, which in this instance is 1.03. So divided by 1.03. Okay, and multiply by 1. This will give us the same. So E minus 5. So 5. So 5 numbers after 4 numbers after the zeros. So we have 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, so this is for 10,000 units, guys. So 10,000 units. So this would demonstrate exactly the same trade as this, for example. Okay. Again, I know this is USD CHF and this is USD CAD. So be careful when you place these, and be careful when you calculate those pips. You know, some of the brokers will show you these pip values and these pip sizes on the order book, on this order box. But sometimes not. Okay, so sometimes when you especially when you trade on a MetaTrader 4, you need to do it yourself. So I hope you guys understand how to do what is a pip and how to calculate pip. So yeah, so we say approximately because as the exchange rate changes, so does the value. Yeah, so yeah. So yeah, that's the last point. And remember that markets are volatile, so the pips will change. You know, so this is the approximate value of the pips. For example, let's go here. Why it's approximate? For example, look at this 0.10 is 0.77 GBP pence. Okay, because this would well related to this contract size. Okay, but look at this. If I increase it by this, you know, it's giving me approximate. So it's not giving me what's the third decimal after the zero. You know, so be careful. Those are approximate prices. You know. Because markets are volatile and these prices changes, guys, every single second, not even a second, half a second, you know. These prices can change half a second. Look how volatile. Look how, so you know, the more volatile markets there is, the more careful you need to be when you calculate your pips. Yeah guys, so thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. If you want to become a professional online trader from home, you're always welcome to join my training academy, which is incomementorbox.com. Yeah guys, trade safely, trade responsibly, enjoy your profits, you know, and see you guys again next time. Remember that you can always contact me on incomementorbox@gmail.com, and I will answer any questions you may have, guys. Thank you guys, and see you again next time. Bye.